Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Okay, we've got some bacon already cooked. We've got an egg, some sourdough toast, peanut butter, and jelly. All right, Mike, what have you done this time? You're gonna do a fried egg, bacon, peanut butter, and jelly sandwich. I'm not kidding. This is gonna be killer diller, crazy, and a fun sandwich to try. Let's put this baby together. Start off with some butter. I'll put that egg right there, right here. That's beauty. That's a gorgeous looking egg, huh? Put that toast down. Little pepper. I like it. This baby's ready for a flipperoo. There it is right there. Oh yeah. All right, reduce the heat. Give that another 35.7 seconds and that baby will be ready. Okay, now for the fun part. Some jelly here. This is strawberry preserves. So maybe it's not really jelly, but it's gonna work. Put that baby right here. Now we get this peanut butter. These are both Trader Joe brands, which to me are the best. This is just Valencia peanuts. What do you think, more? Let's goo it up. Oh my God, he's gooing it up. He's gooing it up. Now we got the bacon. Put that baby there. Put that baby right there. Now here's the crazy part. It's the fried egg. We put that right here. Here's the flipperoo. The presseroo. Here comes the old sliceroo. Here's the reveal. Oh, look at this. Let's get a close-up of that. There she be. Fried egg, bacon, peanut butter, and jelly sandwich. Big bite coming up. I cannot wait. There it is. Time for the big taste test. Could it possibly be good? Oh, that egg is gorgeous. Look at that baby. Here we go. That fried egg is creamy. Or peanut butter's getting me. You know that sweet taste is coming from that jam, jelly, preserves. I'm getting a salty, savory crunch. You guessed it, the bacon. There it is. It's a crazy sandwich. I think it's really good. Second on the bite. Killer dill, you're gonna try this one. You saw it was in a bacon, fried egg, peanut butter, and jelly. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. And keep living life 365 and telling people about it. Tell them we're having a lot of fun on this channel. Baba. Peace.
Live life 365.
Put that baby right in my mouth. And Nutty, I'll get a napkin. There's a lot to chew on this thing. It's the sweet chew, babu. And keep living life. Can't say it. I got it backwards. I said Baba before peace.